Just a couple of tips for the lever. So when it comes out of the box, you'll notice that this part here, there's only a few threads showing. Now, this means that the cable will be quite loose and it will affect the performance of the mechanism. As you can see, that will come out of here and that doesn't fully slot in. Now this can cause issues when you push the lever. So to ensure this is correct, what you want to first of all do is turn this counterclockwise and then turn this metal part here at the top counterclockwise as well. This will start bringing out further threads. As you can now see, the slack has been taken up here and here as well. There's about 10 or 11 threads shown there. You can twist it out a little bit more, but it will become very tight. Once that's exposed as much as you can, lock this back into place by turning this part here clockwise, and then we turn this nut and lock it back into position. As you can see, that much will be exposed. There's no more slack in the cabling, and now the frame is ready to be lifted. Push the lever